There's a reason most guys skip back day. They can't see it in the mirror, so they ignore it until they hit 35 and their posture looks like a shrimp with a desk job. What about me? I don't train for aesthetics only. I train for strength, posture, function, and yeah, a wide back that makes your t-shirt stretch. And I do it without cable rows, machines, or gym memberships. Just one simple thing: pull-ups. But not just random sets of 10 here and there. I have a system, a routine that replaced my entire gym back workout and actually built results. And before you say, "But bro, I can't even do 5 pull-ups." Perfect. That means that this is exactly where you need to start. So here's how I structure my pull-up training so it builds strength, size, and carries over to real-life performance. And I'm telling you right now, if you follow this for even just 4 weeks, you're going to feel it in your lats, arms, forearms, even your abs, because this hits everything. So we have step number 1. You need to start with controlled bodyweight sets. This is your bread and butter. Forget keeping. Every single rep is from a dead hang, all the way up, all the way down. Palms away, shoulder width, 3 to 4 sets of as many clean reps as possible. Not your ego max, your clean max, which is a big difference. Rest around 90 seconds between sets because you're building strength, not filming a TikTok. Can't do more than 3 reps, just use resistance band and do slow negatives, but never cheat the form. That's the main goal. This is where your lats, mid, back and arms actually start growing, not with speed but with tension. Step number 2. You need to start adding variations. Once you've done your clean sets, it's time to hit the angles. I'm just gonna give you a few examples. Close grip chin-ups for biceps and lower lats. Wide grip pull-ups are more for back. Archer pull-ups to build unilateral strength. Then we have commando pull-ups, so it works your grip and core. And mixed grip sets to keep things spicy and unbalanced just like life. You don't need to do all of them in one session. Pick 1 or 2 variations and do 3 sets each. Train different angles, keep it fresh, keep progressing, that's it. And then we have step number 3. Finish with isometric holds and bodyweight rows. So if you want real strength, learn to hold the top position, do dead hangs for grip, do scapula pulls for posture, hold halfway up for 15 to 30 seconds. It will burn and you will shake, but this is where the real gains are made, in the holds, not just the reps. Then if you still have gas in the tank, finish with 2 to 3 sets of slow bodyweight rows. If you can elevate your feet to make it harder. This gives your mid, back and rear delts that final punch. This isn't a fun workout, it's not made for Instagram aesthetics, it's designed to build. So if you want a wide back, strong grip, visible lats from the front, stop playing around and start pulling. I train like this 2 times per week, even after a long day, because this is who I am now and I'm not trying to be a bodybuilder. I'm just trying to feel good, move well and look like I actually train. This pull-up routine replaced my gym back workouts, not because it's easier, but because it's smarter in my opinion. You have more tension, more control, more consistency, so if you're tired of programs that overcomplicate everything, start here. 1 bar, 2 hands and 0 excuses. That's it.